Here we go. All right, remember, the reference angle is as quickly as you can get to X. So it's kind of like, you know, me on a Saturday night, as quickly as I can get to my girlfriend, right? The X.
No.
Never mind. All right, so there's X and there's Y. Okay? As quickly as you can get to X is a reference, but the coterminal, speaking of girlfriends, because we were, right? The coterminal is what completes you. What? That was cheesy a little bit. What? Hey, no harsh words here. I'm being nice to you. Alright, so.
I think that's
Right? So we got to first draw the angle before we can figure out what the coterminal or reference is. So we know it's negative. That means it's going down. It's more than 360. That means it goes around. I should be rapping or something. Okay? So how much more than 360 is it?
84.
So it's 40, yeah, 85, right?
Oh.
Because it's 40 plus the 45, which is 85, right? Not 88. 85, okay? Alright, so that means it's going to be 85 more, which puts it really close to 90. Does that make sense? Okay? I mean, I don't have to look like a... that was looking like a logarithmic spiral. Here we're making basic spirals. Okay, so we know that this is 5 away, and we know that this is 85 away. So I know that my reference angle is the quickest. Okay, so that equals 85 degrees, right? So that's as quick as I can get. But to complete my circle, right? To complete me, right? I need to not get with my ex, but to get with the new girl, right? You don't want to get it? So keep moving. You just keep moving on and you find that new one that completes you. Bam. See how it completes the circle? Okay? So what's happening... Oops, I was looking at the wrong way. Wrong one.
Gosh, you right or...
It's okay.
No, it's not.
It's still there. Right? And it's completing the circle. It gets it all the way around. Okay? So, and you can think... Actually, the other one works better.
Oh my gosh, I just...
Dan!
I just love making him upset. Wait, let me try that again.
Dan!
Alright, so either one works. You see how it works? Is it's going from this point and coming in here, but the whole point is that it's completing that circle. Okay? So the coterminal is the one that completes you. Okay? So if it's completing you, you know this is 90, right? And this is 90 more to 180. So how much to get to here? Well, that's 90 more, 270. So we're at 275. So this coterminal is 275. Okay? The negative coterminal would be 85. Okay?
Sure. Sure.
Wait, how
Sure,
do
why
you
not?
spell the terminal again?
The coterminal completes the circle.
Yeah.
Okay? What problem is this?
6.
That
No,
was
one
so
from
good.
you and one from
Is
Karen.
Oh.
No, it's not.
At the same time.
This is 5, isn't it? Oh, it's 85. Yeah. So 85 is your coterminal and your reference angle, but your other coterminal is the one that completes you. So you have two coterminals. You have the 275 and you have the 85. Okay? And it depends on which one that they're asking you for. Okay? 85.
So are the red ones both coterminal?
Yes.
Just rewrite it time.
Okay? So coterminal, it's either what you go past, what goes past your circle, right? So if it would have been here, it would have still been that amount, but your reference would have just been from here to here. You see what I'm saying? So how much you go past your circle is your coterminal, and what completes your circle is your coterminal. So let's look at this one. 305. 305 is positive, so it's going up. But it's not 360. It's more than 270, right? In fact, it's 35 more, right? So, well, not that much. Maybe that much. So it's 35 more, right? So how far away from this line is it? If this is 35, this has to be how much? Very good, Precal. 55. You are right. Help them. They don't know what they are. Okay, so what is my reference angle?
35.
No.
55.
Yes. What are my two coterminal angles? You have two. One is what completes the circle.
55.
Nice. In this case, it's the only one. So. Okay. So, yes. We good to go?
Can you please explain that one more time?
Explain it one more time. Coterminal. Reference angle. Reference is the quickest way I can get back to X. The quickest way I can get back to the X. Okay? That's your reference. Okay? Your coterminal is what completes the circle. Okay? So if this is coming around to here, what completes the circle, okay, is 55. Now, your coterminal can also be how much past the circle you are, right? So if you go past it, that can be your coterminal also, is how far past the circle you are. Okay? So, in this case, technically, your coterminal could be the 305. Right? This could be another coterminal. It's 305. Because that's how much past zero you are, right? But we don't usually look at that one. We like to look at the one that completes the circle. But you'll notice over here that their coterminal that they worried about was the one that went past zero, or past 360, which was 85. Right? Whereas with me, I'm worried about how to complete the circle, which is 275. Okay? So coterminal means one's going in one direction